Sewer camera inspection at 8302 West Osborne Road in Phoenix. Couldn't find any cleanouts on the ground level, so we're up here at a plumbing vent above the bathrooms in the hallway, right next to the air conditioner. We're going to hopefully get down to the sewer line this way. So this is a plumbing vent that should go down into the main sewer lateral once we get down to the under the slab there. And I do have the shower running in the hall bathroom at the moment, so we have a little bit of water going down the pipe with this. And that's where the shower drains into the main stack here. And now we're on the lateral, so this is the horizontal pipe now. Looks like ABS blinds underneath the house, which is a good idea or a good sign. ABS pipes don't rust and corrode like steel pipes or cast iron pipes would. Looks like we do have a drain opening there at 39 or 40 feet, which could be on the top side of the pipe there. That could be a access point or a cleanout located at the property, somewhere at the front of the property. We just don't know where it is yet. I don't have a locator to locate that. We've got another hole at the top of the pipe there, which is likely a clean out. That last one could have been the kitchen sink drain or another drain, but this one looks like an actual clean out in the pipe. Just making sure that junction is sealed. It's not separating. Sometimes the camera head gets some gunk on it, so I'm going to do that to kind of free it up. So we're looking for bellies, looking for breaks in lines, looking for cracks. And there's your city connection at 79 feet, about 80 feet out from the roof. So the roof plumbing vent is where that counter starts. Looks like clay tile pipe for the city and ABS for the house. So I'm going to start pulling this camera head back. You're responsible for everything up to that clay tile pipe. So I'm going to pull this camera head back slowly, try and get a better look at everything. Just trying to wash off the lens of the pipe there a little bit so you can see everything. Sometimes the warm water and cold air will create some condensation in the line, and some mist will get on the camera head, making it hard to see. So I'm looking at the top of the pipe there, and it's hard to tell if that's a crack. A little bit of gunk in the bottom of the pipe. It's pretty typical. Some plumbers can do hydrojet maintenance on the line, which is pressure washing the inside of the pipes, just to get that gunk out of there, to make sure that it doesn't build up any debris, anything more than it already has. And now we're back on the vertical. So we've got about a 15-foot drop from the roof surface down to the horizontal pipe. That counter is actually connected to the reel up here on the roof, not on the line, so it'll be off just a little bit as I pull it. But the lines look good. I don't see anything major going on in the pipes other than a little bit of debris. Definitely recommend hydrojet maintenance, but I'm going to take this video home, put it up on a bigger screen, make sure I didn't miss anything on site today, and I'll send you a report. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan Pierce with Property Inspections Plus. Be happy to help you out if we can.